Hello friend, today we learn about the right, left and the min function. So let's start. If I have the code like here and I have left, mid and right, if I want the two first of the right, I do right and then open me a box like here and the text I taken, but I want the two character. I have 4 and 7 like here, 4 and 7. Then I press on OK. If I want to do the first from the left side, equal left, and then open me a box like here, my text, and I want the two character, 4 and 6 like here, 4 and 6, and then I press on OK. Mid. If I want the middle of the character, mid, and then open me a box, I take the text, start, I want 2, and name or character it's 2. So 7 and D, like here, 7 and D. And then I press on OK. That's it. Let's do one more. If I want the right from here, equal right, and then open me a box, I take from here, but I want the 4 from the right, it's 6 7 7 8, 6 7 7 8, and then I press on OK, and the left side, equal left, and then open me a box, I take from here, but I want the 4 character, and then if you see GTYX, and then I press on OK, and from the middle, equal mid, and then open me a box, I take the text, I want to start from the 4 character, and I want 2 character from this, so it will be X and 4, because 1 2 3 4, and then 1 and 2 character, and then I press on OK. That's it. If you see here and here, I take from everything. Okay guys, have a good day.